Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at the upper structure of this 50-meter concrete pump truck, including the boom system, slewing unit, pumping unit, and hopper. If you're involved in medium to large construction projects and want to understand what really matters in a pump truck's upper structure, this video is for you. The upper structure is the core working system of a concrete pump truck. It includes the boom system, pumping system, slewing platform, hydraulic system, and control components. On this 50-meter model, the upper structure is designed to deliver long reach, stable operation, precise concrete placement, and high durability under continuous heavy-duty work. Let's start with the most important part, the boom. This pump truck is equipped with a 6-section boom that is 50 meters long. Its structural components are all made of high-strength steel. The boom structure is optimized for long, horizontal and vertical reach, reduced vibration during pumping, smooth and accurate movement. Each boom section is precisely engineered with reinforced joints and high-quality welding, ensuring long service life even under demanding job site conditions. The folding design allows the boom to work efficiently in high-rise building projects, wide construction areas, and complex job sites with limited repositioning space. With proper boom geometry and balance, operators can place concrete accurately while maintaining excellent overall stability. The boom is mounted on a heavy-duty slewing platform with a high-load rotation bearing. The rotation system is designed for stable load distribution, precise control, and reliable long-term operation. This is especially important for high-rise and large-area concrete pouring. Now, let's talk about the pumping system. The upper structure features a high-efficiency pumping unit designed to provide stable output and continuous concrete flow. The large-capacity hopper ensures smooth feeding, reduced material interruption, and higher overall pumping efficiency. Combined with a reliable valve system and optimized hydraulic matching, the pumping unit performs consistently under long working hours. The entire upper structure is powered by a well-matched hydraulic system, which controls boom movement, rotation, and pumping operations. The control system is designed to be responsive, user-friendly, and reliable in different working environments. This allows operators to control the boom smoothly and safely, even during complex concrete placement tasks. To summarize, the upper structure of this 50-meter concrete pump truck is built for real construction demands. It offers a long and stable boom system, reliable pumping performance, smooth rotation and precise control, and durable construction for long-term use. This makes it an ideal choice for high-rise buildings, commercial projects, infrastructure construction. If you'd like to learn more about specifications, configurations, or real job site videos, feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us for more professional construction equipment content.